Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a beautiful set of summer nails. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going in with this Madam Glam gel polish in the color Perfect White, and this nail will be our marble nail. And to clean around the cuticle area, I am using my 2-in-1 clean up and nail art brush, and for the rest of the nails I'm going to go in with my gel polish by OPI in the color Bubble Bath, and I'm going to be doing 2 coats of each color, and then we're curing each hand for 30 seconds. So same thing for the other hand, white on the ring finger and then Bubble Bath gel polish on the rest of the nails. Alrighty, so after doing 2 coats of each color, we're going to go in with this Lip Balm gel polish in the color Coral Cabana, which is a really pretty coral color, and we're just basically outlining the tip of the nail, and we're not doing that too thick. We're literally just outlining like the sides and the tip of the nail. And then we're also going to cure this for 30 seconds, and we're going to come back and do a second coat. And you really don't have to do a second coat, but this color was a little bit sheer, so I did go back and do a second coat on it. Once again, we're just kind of outlining the shape of the nail and kind of doing it into like a V shape, and then we just line up the polish in the middle. Alrighty, so for the marble nail, I'm going to apply a couple of colors. So the first one is this Coral Cabana. As you can see, I just applied a little bit on 2 spots and then I dabbed it with some acetone, which makes the polish spread out. The next color is this Madam Glam, as well as this other purple one. The yellow one is in the color Mimosa and the purple one is in the color Girl Power. And then this one is the OMG Pink. And as you can see, we just apply the polish and we just dip our brush into the acetone and just dab the colors, and it just makes the colors spread out. And then we are going to have to cure them because it is gel polish. So we're going to cure them for 30 seconds and we're going to do the same thing on the other finger. Alrighty, so after they've been cured, I'm going to go back with my bling. So I'm using my SS6 and I'm just doing it around the cuticle area. I'm probably just going to do like 5. So first I applied my Mia Secret gel resin, and then with my wax pencil I'm going in to apply my bling. And then that's it for that. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. And then I'm going to apply my IBD gel top coat, and we're going to cure each hand for 60 seconds. Alrighty y'all, so this is the final look. As you can see, the colors are really vibrant and they turned out really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys next time.